Very good morning, students. Today we will discuss about organozinc reagent. First of all, we look at the preparation of this reagent. It is prepared in a same manner to that of magnesium. When zinc react with alkyl halide in presence of diethyl ether, there occurs the alkyl zinc halide. Now, if we talk about the polarity of carbon zinc bond in this organozinc reagent, it is less polar because the zinc is less electropositive than lithium and magnesium. So the organozinc reagents are not nearly as reactive towards aldehydes and ketones as Grignard reagents and organolithium compounds. Now we talk about the iodomethyl zinc iodide. It has special position in organic synthesis. We can prepare it by the reaction of zinc copper couple with diiodomethane in diethyl ether. Here zinc copper couple means zinc that has its surface activated with a little copper. Now we see the synthesis of cyclopropane with this reagent. When iodomethyl zinc react with alkene to give cyclopropanes, this makes iodomethyl zinc iodide such a useful reagent. It is known as Siemens-Smith reagent, and this reaction is known as Siemens-Smith reaction. This reaction is stereospecific. That means we can see in these reactions, if the substituents that position on cis in the alkene, we can see here in cis 3-hexene, if the substituent that position on cis in the alkene remains cis in the cyclopropane. If the substituents that position on trans in the alkene remain trans in the cyclopropane. So in this reactions a CH2 unit is transferred. If we talk about the mechanism of this synthesis, we can see here that here is the preparation of cyclopropane. So this cyclopropanation of alkene with Siemens-Smith reagents have same similarity to epoxidations. Now we know about the epoxidation in which alkene react with peroxy acid form the epoxide and carboxylic acid. So both reactions are stereospecific cycloadditions, and iodomethyl zinc iodide behaves like peroxy acid as a weak electrophile. So both cycloaddition take place faster with more highly substituted double bond than less substituted. So unlike organolithium, Grignard reagents and organocopper reagents, all of which are nucleophilic, but iodomethyl zinc iodide is electrophilic. Thanks.